Was good. Back again. Let me get some music right here. And you all better tell me if it's loud. I was listening to some of my live recordings and I was like, damn, that music was so loud. Regardless, I hope you're all doing good. God is great, you know. So, off. We had really market is about to open in the next 16 minutes. And I think when the market opened, pre-market, there was so much going on. Oh. Let me check what's up. Let me get some Forest Factory. I think might be because of the news, you know. And here's my setup. Did I just share my... Alright, cool. Can you all hear me? Okay, let's start. So, we're still bullish, but this is a very massive uptrend since morning, and I think because of what's happening about Iran and US reaching maybe an agreement of those 15 minutes. I think 15 something points. So let me go through how I do it. Okay, first let me try and get my... I like how we broke this structure and there are buyers right here. So this possibility can be my, you know, because I think we are on a 6, and I do make the entire before pre-market. This is what I'll do. I'll actually there's no support from buyers or sellers, but we're seeing a flip right here, which is good. So if I see like a reclaim here, then for sure I'll just take a sell, just maybe coming back to this was a previous point of interest. So right here is, this could be my first entry right here, but I'll just wait because why? Reason, we have some buyers right here and they're squeezed for sure. Absorbed right here. We had massive buyers right here, sellers right here, and it was just a quick move. And as we can see right here, CVD is showing up like a bearish momentum. So if I see a quick, I can take, on that pre-market. So I would love to see back to this area then at least I can take some quick buck from here down to, and I think when we see market open, we'll see a push to the downside, and CVD is looking, yeah, this could have been a very beautiful trade. Yeah, maybe getting like 20 points. Yeah, that could have been a good. That's one of my yeah, trading. One of my entries, but I would love to see you know, a claim, you know, push back. We still have a lot to go right here. Anyways, let's set up. So yeah, I think we have had a very, you know, okay, cool. So we have a point of interest right here, which is not mitigated yet, and and you know that push, okay, that push right there, then we're just, you know, consolidating. Is it interest to go higher or what? That's my question one. We're still bullish. Yeah, this could have been a very beautiful trade, but I'll wait for this to be broken, like to literally confirm we might be trying to recover to the downside, and this consolidation right here is 20 27 point. That's a good all right, so we have had a very big push to the upside, and I think what we can do is go with what is current. Let me go on a daily time frame so that we can see what we can get. Okay, let's see. Where are we currently? Are you kidding me? One whole candle. Oh shit. We out of that. Yeah, that would have been a very beautiful trade. A very beautiful trade before market open. Sellers coming in. We already broke that. We closed below. So what we can try. Yeah, this was a beautiful trade. Could have been. Could have been. I think. Let me try and change. So we're right here. Massive. This was a very nasty price action right here, and we're above this, so could have been, all this consolidation back at it, taking probably what we might be doing right now is taking all these highs, then we go back into it. So I think we can focus on this POC right here. We're still above today's uh, POC previous. Will we be seeing a push to the downside? I'm not quite sure. Yesterday we were ranging. Yesterday when we were ranging right here. So I'm supposed to screen it now. So we never, we never closed below that. So this became like a support. So yeah, we have. This could be very crazy. I think we might be trending today. And yeah, or we try reaching when market open. We try reaching this POC. So yeah, what else is around here? A POC. I think this should be like something like that. Resistance level and highest peak right here. I think we might be seeing a push to the downside a bit, or we consolidate the entire of this day. Let's see what the open has for us. So what I'll do, I'll just because we should get this POC at 25,291. 25 to 25 what? 25,291. 25,291. Let me get my tool right here. Right there. What is near? So this is the closest thing which is near. So POC right there. I'm just getting my levels. So that when I think the market is open. Almost, yeah. So this is where I wanted to get into a sell right there, and I love how it has reacted from that. So yeah, what I would love to see is a closure. Let's say, let me go 5 minutes right there. Let me get this full. What I'm looking for is price to close here. All right, my inversion, and that's a sell right there. Post stop loss above. So what we can go for is, let's say, 15 minutes. So we might target 25 135, and it can be spiked, right? So I think I'll keep it 25 100. Remember, we can open spike, then take me out as well because of the volume coming in, right? Mind you, yeah, we already open, just like that. So we down -2. Mm-hmm. Then if we close below here, then I get into another cell. And actually, if you check CVD, we close below. Yeah, I just want to see. I'm in stop loss right here. So this is the first target right here, 25 139. A push to the downside, that's good. Let's see if we break this one. If we break, that would be beautiful. Yeah, we close in. All right, let's see what's happening. Okay, cool. So we have opened below POC, tested value area high, then we're under POC. Probability is reaching here, probability in. So what we want to see is price moving, breaking this low. Okay, that's number one, and this is good because CVD is in support of that. and I'll move my stop loss to around here. And if we break this, it will be awesome. What we don't want to see is these sellers not being given that, but CVD looking good right here. CVD, I'm very sorry you're not seeing this. This is not what I would love to see. Price pushing, you know, pushing. Let me get this. So this is not what we would love to see. So I'll be getting out if we close. So we have buyers, we have that bottom right here. So my stop loss should be around here, because I don't want, right here is just fine right there. So if we turn bearish right here, uh, then that means this buyers right here will be squeezed, giving that bearish momentum, another opportunity. Anyways, we look kind of choppy in a way. I don't like how it looks. I don't like how it looks. More buyers coming in, so we look bullish. So I'll just bring my stop loss to break even. We were not able to break this. So if we break good, I would love to see if we flip, probability is we're going higher. More sellers trying to come in right here. I don't know if you all can see, but yeah, I'll be stopped out, which is fine. I don't like how it looks. Some people, that would be weird if it doesn't stop me out, then goes to the other way around. Yeah, today we might be choppy. Sellers are not in that support. I'll trail if we have another turnaround right here, and this will become a support. So I'll just trail to this right here, a quick bulk, and if we turn, then probability is I'll get into a buy, and I'll deem this as a reversal. But let's see, will we break this? I don't think we are going anywhere. Are we? We just tried that. Let's see if we break. Try to go lower. If we flip, yeah, I'm fine. We already broke. After that, I'll be trailing. If we fail, then I'll close right there. We have more buyers coming in. Yeah, it's not going anywhere. I'll just trade. And this will be my last. I don't like how there is a support right here which is being created. You know? We have more buyers coming in. Yeah, we want to see it like that. I just trade right here. I don't like how and this I don't like how we have sellers right here. That's a very big push. So and we have yeah, I think I'll be stopped out right there, which is fine. I'm okay with that. What is Tifios doing? We are heading to this edge right here. Yeah, I'm out. I'm out of that trade. Then you see a big push to the downside. uh, yeah, there's a ledge right here. So we are heading to probably right here, which is fine. 24, 25. But this, to me, is more of a reverse wave, just in case all of these, we have more sellers right here trying to push price lower. We have VWAP coming in, but it's okay. So this is 15 minutes. Let's see, 5 minutes. Pause. If we have a push to the upside, then it's good for a quick buy. And yeah, right there. And actually, this now is like a scalp. I don't like how they have, and this is the reason as to why I usually like to take precaution on that, you know. Yeah, I'll be stopping right here, back to where I started again. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Let's see. We still have a bullish momentum right here. So we just have to wait for a good confirmation. If you can see how it's playing out right here, it's good. Oh, I forgot my battery is almost gone. Yeah, I like how we look. I need more context, and that's just enough. So another push, then I see like another candle coming down to there. I'll work with what CVD is giving me right now. See how more sellers are coming in here. And that's taking a buy right there. Four belows view up. But the best is to protect myself is I'll put right here. Yeah, just in case we cross. And I don't like how CVD is looking. I don't think we will be getting up right here since CVD is looking still bearish on. So it's 45. So here is where we have always a reversal. That's how I will deem it. But this might be my only target. Since we against the trend, the best thing to do is protect yourself. And we're still bearish. So I'll just trail off. Sorry if you all can see. So I'll be stop tall, which is fine. Still bearish. I think that's my bad trade. I like how we look. We have this like a bullish momentum right here, which is going on. I might be pushing to the upside, and this is what I was saying. Like, if we have more sellers coming in, right, then that means we should be pushing to the downside and not the other way around. Yeah, that's what I want to see, so that we can get into a buy, a sell, sorry, for right there. I should put it right here. It would be worse if, that becomes a support to push to the upside. And I think I was early into the party. And actually, it's true. So, what is TPO doing right now? We're back at the POC. And I don't think we will be closing. I think we'll be closing bearish, but not uh, like bearish, but not close to like break the trend to the downside. That's what I'm seeing. I don't like this consolidation right here. I'm not in support of that. So but let's see. So CVD is looking still bearish. So question is, will we break this low? You can just wait and see. So almost an hour, 10 minutes to go. So the fast reversal is 45. And if we see this not being okay, CVD is in support of our bias, but will we break? Will we have more buyers coming in right here? We'll have to wait and see. So this is nice. Let's see TPO, and I should be out of that trade as soon as right there. I'm not waiting because why? I there is, yes. Will we see a continuation to the downside? Probability is yes, but this doesn't look good to me. Yeah, this doesn't look good to me. Plus, we are near that area low, and yeah, that's reversal for me. If we never closed, uh, bearish, because we never broke here, and we're just trying, only the lows. So what we can anticipate is this inversion, right? So I'm trading, my entries are off inversions, and CVD. Most of the time, CVD is good. Like, who is in control, whether buyers uh, or sellers, which is fine. So yeah, catalyst is we are above VWAP, daily VWAP. So will we see a break to the downside, I think we'll be having a massive, if not a ranging day, we'll be having a trending day. Why? See, now it's almost like 7 minutes to go. If we have, I like this, but I don't think we are going way too far. We are kinda near the low. This is Ross. Mm. Mm. If we break right here, I have so much going on right here. Yeah, almost reaching. Yeah, this is a continuation. So 5 minutes to go. So we close bearish, tested, and we just whipped this. So yeah, the only problem is right here is where I would target, like to get out. So it will be weird if I target it to get in, since we've already tried to recover that momentum to the downside after we opened. Mind you, I was on a sell before I was liquidated, then which is fine. I like how we created this bottom right here. So if we close above here, yeah, I just reduced my size. Let's see, we're up 300, which is good.